In this video, I'll show you what to do when the ad block button doesn't show in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, there are two reasons why you do not have an ad block button. Now, an ad block button is when you hover on a section, at the top and left corner, you will see an option to add block. Now, if you click on add block, in here it will show you all of the elements or what we call as blocks in Squarespace. Now, the reason why you do not have an ad block is first, you have the section as a gallery. Now, if we scroll down to this section, you will know it is a gallery not just because it has a lot of pictures within it, but at the top and right corner, you will see an option for edit gallery. Now, in order for you to avoid a gallery section, let's say you want to add a section, and to do that, you want to hover in between two sections, and in the middle, you will see an option to add a section. Now, add a section will pop up, and from here, you want to head over to the left hand side and scroll down until you see Showcase. Now, under Showcase, you want to click on Images, and on the Images section, what you want to do is avoid the template that has an eye at the top and right corner. These eyes are considered as galleries. Now, you want to scroll down and choose a template that doesn't have an eye at the right corner. Let's say this template in here is the one in which I am choosing. It still has images as blocks, and at the top and right corner, it is not considered as a gallery. Now, if I click on this section, it will automatically be added as my section. Now, when I hover on this section, you will notice that we now have add block at the top and left corner. Now, the second reason is that you are on mobile view. So if we head over to the top and right corner and from desktop view, we change to mobile view, you will notice in here that if you scroll down and hover on a section, you won't have an option to add a block. Now, on the left hand side, this usually where add block is. If you click on it, it will be considered as the layers. Now, in order for you to add elements or what we call as blocks in the mobile view, the only way for you to do it is to switch to desktop view and then change back to mobile view. So if you are on mobile view to change to desktop view, you want to head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, you want to click on the desktop view or the small monitor beside the phone. And once you do that, it will automatically take you to desktop view, and you will also have an option to add a block at the top and left corner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.